How to use the Atome Virtual Card. I'm going to tell you how to use the Atome Virtual Card. First, download and open the Atome app on your smartphone, navigate to the card section, and apply for the Atome Virtual Card. Once approved, your virtual card details, such as the card number, expiry date, and CVV, will be available within the app. When shopping online or in apps, select MasterCard as your payment method at checkout. Enter your Atome Virtual Card details to complete the purchase. You can choose to pay in full, within 40 days interest-free, or opt for installment plans over 3 or 6 months, which may include fees. Remember, the virtual card is intended for online and in-app purchases and cannot be used for ATM withdrawals or in-store transactions requiring a physical card.